Hey guys, this is Daniel with In Faith Ministries. As many of y'all know, I'm an animal control officer for the city. Well, me being the careless guy that I am, the irresponsible guy, I locked myself in. See, as you can see, I locked myself in, and so I called the master locksmith of San Angelo here, Brother Ernest Lopez, aka Cheeseburger, aka the drummer in Faith.
Yep.
And he's trying to rig up some. He's trying to rig up something. I can open this door. And so I'm gonna try to get this door open. Now what we're gonna attempt to do is break into the city truck. Don't try this at home.
A little legal like that.
Totally illegal. I'm gonna let you go scratching the paint. Can attempt to.
Oh, Judge, next time you ask somebody to get a sound back, one of them.
Yeah. I said, don't mess with locksmith. Don't mess with locksmith. As y'all can see, I'm using a handy dandy water opener thingy while Ernest is on a chair. Go to the Rick of Jesus chakras. Try to get this baby open. You know, less than 30 seconds I left week, and I was here for an hour. Ernest, what do you got to say, Master Locksmith?
Here are the tools you're gonna need. A gancho, aka clothes hanger.
Have plenty of those.
If you ain't got the proper sandpaper to sharpen it, so you can see like a little hook. What you want to do? Do this is called Mexican style. What you want to do is see it, just get it like that, and then if it starts burning your finger, it means it's working. Just like that. See how it looks? See that?
Oh, sharp.
And then this is here's a little tip. The harder you pull, the harder it's gonna bring a little hook out. You see that little? Barely see that little hook. See it? You even get stuck on my fingerprints.
What else are we gonna need? That's one tool.
You could either use this. One of the things that will close and open the water. You get these at Walmart, Best Buy, Segundas.
Garage sales you did. Cómprate uno, Chuy. Well, guys. What?
You need a chair.
Rusty.
Prefer using an old one, Rusty.
Stand up.
I weigh 250, so it ought to be able to hold water.
Don't rust the chair. Get the job done. Now to get the keys.
Here, this is what you did before. Let's go like that.
This is it.
Then, you just gotta mess with it. Move from the back.
That's how you open up animal control truck. So, Master Locksmith.